welcome back to my channel. So today we are gonna have some fun and do DIY projects that are for my office. So the first one is this cute DIY pillow. It's very much like a minimalistic Scandinavian-esque type of line drawing pillow. I saw this on Pinterest and thought this was super cute. I tried to find the pillow to purchase it, but I was like, listen, this is a great, I feel, introductory DIY to get me back into sewing again. So I decided to make it myself. So the supplies for this project are pretty simple. All you need is a half a yard of canvas fabric. I went and got this fabric from Joann's, and I wanted this particular color to match the desk and also my accent chair that I have. The zipper, I already had in my stash of sewing supplies, and I did just pick up some additional thread. Okay, all of this probably cost me like $5. Definitely super easy. I mean, additional supplies needed would be a measuring tape of sorts, some scissors, and also a pillow or potentially cotton to stuff the pillow.
It's like the morning time, don't wanna wake up, I just wanna stay in bed. But if I'm next to you, I'm looking forward to just laying in this bed. It's like the morning time, don't wanna wake up, I just wanna stay in bed. It's like the morning time, don't wanna wake up, I just wanna stay in bed. But if I'm next to you, I'm looking forward to just laying in this bed. It's like the morning time, don't wanna wake up, I just wanna stay in bed.
Alright y'all, so this is finished. I actually put way too much paint. I don't know why I thought I was going to use that much paint, so I'm gonna try to get it back into the bottle because that's money. But yeah y'all, this, you know, if you look a little close, I'm gonna try to see if I could get a better eraser so that I could kind of clean, you know, you can see I struggle with the lips because I drew it on first with pencil, but it doesn't look too bad. The only thing is that I don't know. I mean, maybe I wish it was a little bit bigger and took up a little bit more space of the pillowcase, and I'm like super close, so it looks a little big. Let me stand up. But I think once I actually finish the pillow, it's gonna look better. But it doesn't look too bad. I'm gonna put a picture of, you know, the inspo that I was trying to go for, and then when we do the final when I finally finish the pillow, then we'll see how it looks. But yeah, I like it. Came out cute. I'm happy with it. We moving on to the next part. So we are about to finish up my pillow. This is how it looks. Honestly, it didn't take too long to dry. So yeah, I mean, I think it turned out okay. So let's just finish it so that we can actually see the real deal. So what I'm about to do, I already showed you an earlier part where I put the zipper in, so it does have a zipper. What I'm gonna do is just simply sew around the edges to close up the pillow, and then I'm going to stuff it. So I didn't iron it or anything. I'm wondering if I should. I'm probably not going to, y'all. I'm lazy. I just want to get this over with. So I'm not even going to use pins, to be honest, because this is like so easy. This is going to take all of seconds to do. I'm simply just going to sew around the edges, and we're gonna make this so simple. So let's get started.
I think I'm crazy. Way I've been craving. If I've heard it quite plainly, just give me them babies. So what you doing tonight? What is they doing you right? Watching movies, but we ain't seen a thing tonight. But I wanna keep you around you. What you mean, can you keep it? Cause I don't like to keep you. So baby, I'ma keep you up. I've been drinking coffee, and I've been eating healthy. Can you stay up all night? Fuck me till the daylight. 30 for 35. Can you stay up all night? Fuck me till the daylight. 30 for 35. Don't drink it just like water. No say it tastes like candy. So what you doing tonight? What is they doing you right? Watching movies, but we ain't seen a thing tonight. But I wanna keep you around you. What you mean, can you keep it? Cause I don't like to keep you. So baby, I'ma keep you up. I've been drinking coffee, and I've been eating healthy. No one else is sticky, yeah. Taking up my energy. Can you stay up all night? Fuck me till the daylight. 30 for 35. Can you stay up all night? Fuck me till the daylight. 30 for 35. Baby, you might need a seatbelt when I'm riding. I'ma leave it open like a book, I'm inside it. Even though I'm with you, you can hit it like a side chick. Don't need no side chick. Got the name back and an earthquake. Fuck my top when I'm in the best shit.
So here's the final product. I like it. Honestly, I feel like I was trying to follow the photo a little bit too much, and I'm not really feeling this little loop-de-loop on the end of this lip. Like, I probably could have just stopped it, but I was trying to follow the photo. But it's okay. I think it still looks good. If anything, I still have the back of the pillow if I want to try again, but I think it's fine, you guys. Like, it's giving me the vibes that I'm trying to give. Just for some additional updates, I don't know if I showed you guys this chair yet, but this is my accent chair. I absolutely love it. It is like a cream ivory velvet type color, which I really like. This, I showed this little doohickey. I got it from Home Goods, and then that pampas grass, I already had it. I'm not gonna go too much and give y'all the tour because the tour is coming soon, so I don't want to do too much, but I really like the pillow. It's a vibe, it's a look.
Please don't forgive me.